Use protection when handling inks, as they are corrosive. Turn off and unplug the printer before handling any components. You will need a bag, a screwdriver, and a new printhead. First, turn off the printer from the back. Next, remove the dampers one by one, and press the clamp to cut off the ink flow. Once removed, place them in a bag to prevent stains and avoid ink reaching electrical connections. Then, using a screwdriver, remove the screws and take out the printhead. Once removed, disconnect the data cables. Now, insert the new printhead. First, connect both cables on the sides. When connecting the cables, make sure they are aligned properly. Next, position the printhead and secure it with screws. When tightening the screws, ensure the printhead sits flat. Place all the screws without fully tightening them at first, adjusting them slightly. Once all screws are in place, level the printhead and finish tightening them evenly. Afterward, take the dampers out of the bag and place them back in the correct order. Once the dampers are positioned, open the clamps you previously closed on each tube. Finally, turn the printer back on from the rear switch.